Everyone, I'm the Travlin Prof, and in today's Russian Word of the Day video, we are going to learn how to say the word for tomato.
Помидор. Помидор.
Помидор. Now, honestly, I'm not sure why anybody would want to eat this fruit. It's technically a fruit, even though we put it in the vegetable category. From what I understand, if you ate any other part of this plant, it would kill you. It belongs to the family of plants known as the nightshade. Doesn't that just sound like a plant that's sitting there stalking you in the middle of the night, going to assassinate you if it gets the chance? The seeds are bright red. The fruit's bright red. In nature, red means dead. So, if you have any idea why people actually started eating this vegetable, berry, fruit, let me know in the comments down below. I'd be interested to hear your perspective. We'll see you again tomorrow with a new Russian word of the day. Пока for now.
Помидор. Помидор.